Have you ever looked at the world around you and thought, it all makes sense? Well, for centuries, physicists felt the same way, but at the turn of the 20th century, a couple of pesky problems popped up that just wouldn't go away. This is the story of how those problems shattered our understanding of reality and gave birth to the bizarre world of quantum mechanics. It all started with something called the black body radiation problem. Imagine heating a piece of metal. It glows red, then white, then blue. Physicists tried to predict this color change using their existing theories. But the math just didn't work. Their equations predicted that the object should release an infinite amount of energy at high frequencies, which was obviously wrong. They called this the ultraviolet catastrophe. Then, in 1900, a brilliant physicist named Max Planck decided to try something radical. He proposed that energy wasn't continuous, like a smooth ramp. Instead, he suggested it comes in tiny, discrete packets, which he called quanta. Think of it like a staircase. You can be on one step or the next, but never in between. By assuming energy could only be emitted in these little chunks, Planck's new formula perfectly matched the experimental data. It was a revolutionary idea, but even Planck himself wasn't sure what to make of it. He thought it was just a mathematical trick. But then came Albert Einstein. In 1905, he looked at another puzzle, the photoelectric effect. When you shine light on a metal plate, it can knock electrons loose. Classical physics predicted that a brighter light should give the electrons more energy. But experiments showed that wasn't true. It was the color, or frequency, of the light that mattered. Einstein took Planck's mathematical trick seriously. He proposed that light itself is made of these energy packets, which we now call photons. A photon of blue light has more energy than a photon of red light, which is why it can knock electrons out with more force regardless of brightness. This bold idea not only explained the photoelectric effect, but also proved that Planck and quanta were real physical things. And just like that, the quantum revolution had begun, paving the way for everything from lasers to computers. So, the next time you use your smartphone, remember the two simple experiments that forced us to rethink the very fabric of the universe. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey into the quantum realm, be sure to like and subscribe for more.